my gosh, hi there. Get your tablet today with Play OCTOPUS. Also, use code Rideshare Hub. Get your $100 today.
Okay. Yo, what's poppin', everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. What's going on over there?
I got a little too excited.
Today's video is a super special video. You guys, I hope you guys have the same amount of energy as I do.
And me.
Woo! Why? Because we're telling you about a cool new way that you can make up to $100 extra per month. My neighbors probably hate me because I'm yelling and screaming all the time, but I can't.
We don't care, because we're making $100.
I can't help it. You know, getting rich over here, guys. Who cares? Let's scream it so the world can hear. Oh wait.
Make $100 more dollars.
I forgot. I live in a private neighborhood. I only have one neighbor, so. But yeah, before we get into, well, okay, we'll tell you really quickly. We're gonna go over it in full depth. I don't know, the lighting's super weird. It's called Play OCTOPUS. I'm wearing the shirt right here. It's a tablet that you put in the back of your car for your passengers to play games on. It's super fun. It's free if you use our code, our link in the description. Kaylin says that you should use the link in the description.
I'll say it right now. Use the link in the description from my mouth to your ears.
What?
Yep.
Okay.
From my mouth to your ears.
Cool.
To your heart, till you do it.
Yeah. So we're gonna get into that. We're gonna show you how it works, and we're actually gonna play some games with you guys to show you what it looks like from the passenger's perspective. And also, we're gonna tell you how you can make extra more money. So stick through to the end because there's a secret, a little secret, guys. I'm gonna tell you. Nobody knows about this, so you're gonna find out today.
I'm ready.
Before, hold on, Kaylin loves the game so much. Before we get into the games, Kaylin wanted to tell you guys, what did you have to tell them? About the merch.
Look at my sweatshirt.
Oh my god, you guys.
So this is Rideshare Hub merch, and guess what? Use my code to get a percentage off. How much percentage?
It's 40, I think, or 50. I think. What did we make it?
A big hunk of percentage off.
40% off.
40% off.
Code Kaylin.
Code Kaylin.
Yeah.
Look at this.
I'll give you half the profits.
And this, and this. Look at all of it.
Yeah, so let's go through the merch really quick, guys. We'll leave the link in the description to the merch as well.
So right now, I'm wearing this sweatshirt, and the material inside is literally so nice.
Yeah?
I just want to like lay in bed all day. And I don't even need a cover because I have this to warm me up. All right. And
what size is that? That's like a large, right?
I have no idea, but you know what? Doesn't matter.
It's like loose fitting. I like wearing oversized sweatshirts personally.
But if you don't want loose fit, guess what? They have crop tops. If you want a tight fit. And look how cute. It's like the little Friends logo, except it doesn't say Friends. What does it say, everybody? Rideshare Hub.
Rideshare Hub.
And what does this one say?
Rideshare Hub.
Okay, and this is like a, you know, super cute.
Kaylin was making fun of my laugh earlier, guys. She said she impersonated. I was like, look, I was reading something and I was like, ha 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 ha. Okay, you don't have the best laugh in the world either.
Let's continue with this merch, Dylan. So look, what does this say again? I'm just kidding, we get it. They all say Rideshare Hub. What I'm trying to say is that
not all of them
are so cute.
This one just says Rideshare.
Ooh, there's no hub into it.
No.
This one is one of my personal favorites.
Yeah, that one's
dope. You got the colors, you got the white.
That's actually our most popular shirt. So this design, not the cropped up, but where is it? It's a gray one. This is by far, here, hold that. That's by far the most popular shirt we have. Yeah.
It's super cute.
And we have that in black as well.
And also they have long sleeves.
Oh, those are comfy. Those are comfy.
And they're cute to like layer up.
Yeah.
With different things. So if you're gonna drive, you might as well drive in style, is what I'm saying. We got the long sleeve hoodie. Another
thing, guys, a lot of people asking, what do you wear when you drive? I personally, when I first started driving, I was like, oh, I need to like wear nice shoes, I need to wear nice jeans, nice pants. Guys, I usually just wear sweatpants, to be honest. As long as you're like not smelly and in a wife beater or something. Shut up! There's a plane. You can honestly just wear like sweats as long as they're pretty nice. Like you don't want to look like, I don't know, dirty or anything. But like You don't have to dress up. You can wear a t-shirt. This is probably what I would wear. I have, you know, shoes, jeans. Like, that's perfect. What you're wearing, that's perfect. And
you might as well drive in comfort.
Drive in comfort. So get a shirt. Like, you can wear a hoodie if you want. Just drive all day in that thing. You'll be warm. You can take it off if you get hot. Anything else? Did you show them all the designs?
Summed it up.
What about
got blues, grays, whites,
cool,
blacks.
All right, now on to, okay, yeah, get the merch if you want. We just want to tell you guys, just in case you didn't know, that there is merch.
And it's good and it's comfy.
Yeah, anyways, now if you want, you can also get the OCTOPUS tablet. We're going to show you guys what it is. Basically, you put this in the back of your car's headrest. We've already made videos on that. We just wanted to show you guys the game. So I thought maybe we could just sit back, relax, you know, pull this up and, you know, chill back and play some games. Let's see it. All right, update guys. We came into the car because we thought it would be better to show you guys
the real life,
what your passengers will experience rather than just sitting in a lawn chair in the back. That's the exact reason.
Back to the Sprint side.
It's not because it died and we had to charge it. That's definitely not the reason why.
It's just, yeah, we thought we'd show the cute little cable and how it works.
Alright guys, so before we show you guys the tablet, we wanted to just preface you guys with what's going on.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Please, cross your fingers.
Alright guys, so before we go over the games, we just wanted to tell you about how exactly you can get your tablet, right? That's a good question. How do you get the tablet? Well, you can use the link in the description, use our referral code, but there are a few qualifications to get your tablet. Number one, you have to be a driver for any rideshare platform. Uber, Lyft, and any of the other ones. There's no judgment. Number three.
Is there other ones?
Yeah, there's a couple other in like weird, like New York and like.
Got you.
Yeah, there's another one.
We don't discriminate.
No. Another thing, you have to have at least done 100 rides. They will be checking. I feel like I should be saying we will be checking. I don't work for Play Octopus. They just sent me this shirt.
We'll be checking.
Yeah, we'll be checking, guys. No, you have to send in your screenshots of your app. So you have to look like you do at least 100 rides per month. So you have to send in screenshots. So, and then the next thing is it has to be in an active market that you drive in, or that Play Octopus is available in. They are launching in new places all the time, so even if it's not available in your market yet, they soon plan to be nationwide. So get on the wait list now and use my code. That way when it launches, you will get your tablet when you have my code on your account. It'll still stay active. Another thing, if you ever plan to take a break while you're driving, because that's what I do a lot of times. I'll drive for a month, I'll take a month off. If you take a break, make sure to click pause on your account. That way, yeah, they know, like, communication's always good. But yeah, you don't have to like do 100 rides a month all year round. You can just do it here and there. Another key point, it's free. You don't have to pay for it. And it comes with a data plan. You don't have to use your own data plan. A lot of people are asking about that. Another big question, what happens if someone steals the tablet? If a passenger steals it? First of all, that thing's pretty hard to take off. It's pretty locked in there tight. Secondly, if somebody does steal it, all they're gonna be able to do is play Play Octopus games on it.
You're gonna make money.
So like, they have no incentive to steal it. If they do, all you have to do is file a police report and send that to Play Octopus, and they will send you a new one. I'm pretty sure. They have like the whole instructions on their website, but it's not like a big fear.
You could probably tell if someone's taking it too.
Yeah, I wouldn't like if someone's gonna steal a tablet, they might as well steal your phone. Like it's like the same thing. Like that person's probably would rather steal your iPhone. You know what I mean? So that's not a big issue, really. Like I've never had anyone who I thought would steal it. The next thing is, are people annoyed by it? Is it annoying to have this games in people's faces? I've had only one person who was like annoyed with it, and I just turned it off really quickly. So it doesn't need to be, it's not like really in someone's face a lot. And you can keep it on nap mode, which is good. So anyways, it's loaded now. So we're going to show you, well, let's wait till this round's over. We're gonna show you how we're gonna go through it. This is how you make an extra $100, up to $100 extra per month. Oh, is that your? Okay.
So. They have 5 different options. This one's picture trivia, classic trivia, Octo says, speed match, and photo hunt. And so then they just choose which one they want. We just chose picture trivia. Don't mind the updating thing. And then you wait for these things to show, and then you start playing. And ready? What sport team is this? The Alligators. Wow.
Yeah,
wrong.
So you played trivia.
What is the name of the town? The dark side of the moon. What is the name of this mountain? Mount Everest? Mount Fiji. This is James Bond.
Nice.
What is the name of this place? Great Pyramid of Giza. Prince. Ooh, I actually don't know my cars.
Oh, that's Volkswagen.
Who is this famous actor? Anyone know? Filmmaker.
Christopher Nolan.
Nice. This is Niagara Falls.
We're doing pretty good. What movie is this? Oh, wait.
It's Fight Club.
I don't know. Is this? What movie is that?
What movie is this? Interstellar.
What
is the name of this? Anyone know?
I don't know.
Kingo? What is the name of this? Tennis ball? What is this?
Can I use the bathroom?
Yeah.
Who painted this?
Just going through the garage.
What is the name of this? Madeline? Madeline? I don't know. That was our best yet.
Oh, we got 8.
Wait, but why does it say it's not good? Oh, because that's the other one. Okay. So that was picture 1, and we got 23rd.
Oh, okay. Cool.
We got a visitor. A random homeless guy asked to use our bathroom. That's pretty weird.
Can I use your bathroom?
And you just invited him in.
Like, yeah,
What's
guys.
wrong with you?
If you need to use your bathroom, just let me know. Just come knocking on my door. Yeah, you can.
He
this
just
is public
came to
restroom.
the car.
Well, I do have that sign that says public restroom on my driveway.
He just, likes to give back to the community.
Yeah.
Alright, should I enter my phone number?
No. Claim your 8 tickets.
Well, those are worth...
Wait, well, what is that? Okay.
So you enter it. I just did my phone number wrong.
No, I don't have it on.
To do, you enter it to get your name drawn into the raffle.
Oh.
$500 weekly raffle.
Wait, imagine if you win.
I would be literally so happy. Like, so happy. Check my phone
Are they gonna
details.
spam you with like...
I hope so. Who doesn't want to be spammed by Play Octopus?
You're gonna get phone calls like, hey, sign up for our new rewards program. Download this credit card and give us your social security number. Play Octopus credit card.
Yeah. Alright, I'm ready.
Oh yeah, that's an ad. That's an example of an ad. Wow, all those people have won.
John,
so in between the games, they show ads. That's how drivers get paid.
Kevin. They all won $500.
Could be you one day.
That could be me.
Are you gonna have to upload a selfie like that too, so you can get featured?
I'll put it with my Rideshare hoodie on.
You're gonna show your Instagram handle too?
Alright, now the next one's gonna be classic trivia. I'm just gonna click on that. And this one, there's no pictures. So, let's get to it. I might do some little, It's gonna promote that you could win a $25 Amazon gift card. Over 15,000 prizes won. If that's not
okay, is this the next one? Classic trivia.
The few, the proud, the who, the few, the proud Marines. What is the color of Sonic
so guys, there's like blue? 5 different games.
What is your
5
funny
different
bone
styles
elbow?
Of games. This is the second one.
What ET
classic
candy of
trivia.
choice? Was it Skittles? ET candy of choice. M&M's, Skittles, or M&M's?
This is live footage of a passenger
What is the Christ Redeemer statue?
Game.
The Christ Redeemer statue. Look, I don't even know what that is. Brazil. What pickled garnish is typically ginger?
Ginger.
Welcome to the jungle. Wow,
Guns N'
how did
Roses.
I get that wrong?
8.
Just like the octopus. What are the following is a popular product vacuum cleaner? I can read way better.
Roomba.
Yeah. What color?
Red, white, and blue.
White, and blue.
Michael Jordan briefly retired basketball to pursue which sport? Baseball.
Who invented the conjure in 1970, increasing production immensely?
Steve Jobs. No.
Ellie
Whitney? I don't even know that. What is Maryland's state bird? Blue Jay. No. Oriole.
You messed it up. The second largest in the world, China. Actually,
what did we get? 0 point? Oh no, we got 5. Oh, we're working our way up.
Alright, skip this. Let's play some more games.
Tickets 1. You have to enter your.
I'm entering my phone number again.
Is it gonna make you do it? It should automatically go.
Maybe.
To your
It might think I'm a new passenger though. You don't know.
You think?
There's a winner chosen every day.
Oh my gosh! You have to enter it again.
No, look. I'm winning this.
Kaylin is determined.
Well, you're gonna be jealous when I have $500.
I know. I'm gonna be broke.
No, he's not. Do you know why? because he's making up to $100 a month on this.
I got $100 a month. Okay, so she won 6 tickets. Basically, your passengers can play games. As you can see, it's super fun. In a 20-minute ride, your passengers will be playing the entire time.
Oh, I'm addicted. Besides, yeah.
Guys, I wanted to tell you, this is 2020. Take advantage of these new opportunities. 10, 15 years ago, there would be no way you could even drive for Uber in the first place. But secondly, you can put a freaking tablet in your car and make money. This is modern day. Join. I know some of you guys are older. I'm just gonna say it. A lot of you guys are older and you are not used to this technology. But get with the program. You can start making money. You can use this money to pay
gas.
Use this money to pay for gas. Pay off your mortgage with this. You know, every little bit counts. So, yeah, take advantage. Join the game. Take advantage.
Take advantage of this program.
I'm trying to talk to them.
Sorry.
You're not being very nice.
I am
today.
too. I'm trying to, you know, encourage
First you made
them.
fun of my laugh, and now you make fun of the way I speak.
Take advantage of this program. OCTOPUS.
All right, guys. I'm gonna go cry now, so I'll see you guys later, I guess. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure to download Play Octopus in the description down below. Get your freaking free tablet, bruh.
And also, don't forget the merch.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.